Hi, it's Chris from Leicester Drones, and today we are looking at the Mavic 3 Enterprise Thermal. Quick unboxing, just received it today. So it's a fairly standard box like the normal Enterprise drones come in. Yeah, looks like a fairly standard case. Right, pop that down there. So we've got Mavic 3T on there. Looks like the normal Enterprise Mavic Enterprise case. Nice sturdy case. Got your catches there. Pretty standard. Let's have a shufty. Oh, there we go. So we've got well, it looks like a DJI RC Pro. Good controller. Yeah, it's got Enterprise on the back. So that comes with it, standard. Pop that back in there. Then you've got the, oh, look at all these. Got all these cables for various different countries. America, Europe. Can't see UK. Look, got the drone in there. There she is. Let's move that there a bit. There we go. Oh, wow, lovely. Wow, look at that. That feels nice. It's always nice to get your hands on a new drone, but that feels good. Mavic 3 Enterprise. Looks like it's got, what's that? That's just the protection for those. Keep that on there. Looks like you've got the mounting points on the top there for, you know, spotlight, etc. And that should, there you go, yeah, USB-C. So you haven't got that little bit of plastic that people lose on the Mavic 2 Enterprise range. So that's an improvement. That feels nice. Someone said it might be carbon, something or other, but I'm not sure. Feels good though. Got a light on the top there. Let's open it out and. Oh, that's nice, yeah. Feels good. There we go. I think we're looking at just under a kilogram for this drone, weight-wise. So there you go. Looks great, looks good. Let's have a look at the, that's one hell of a gimbal protector, isn't it? Let's see if we can get that off. I think you do it here. There we go. Off. And there's your camera, so we've got a zoom, wide angle and infrared. That's a nice chunky gimbal, nice chunky camera. Looks good, it feels good. Then at the back, battery port, like a normal Mavic 3. Looks like a normal Mavic 3 battery. Don't think it's self-heating or anything like that. Pop that in there. You've got a charging point, so you can charge straight in at the back there, USB-C. Collision avoidance sensors. Collision avoidance on the bottom, all light as well, the looks of it. Well, a bit of foam there to protect the gimbal. Just take that off just for a minute. Very nice. Feels good, looks good. Good bit of kit. Let's have a look what else is in the case. On this one, put that out of the way. So you've got space for your drone. You've got the controller. You've got a few cables, but obviously these are for your batteries, where you're only going to use the cable that you need. You've got your charger there, your AC in there, and then it'll be a USB-C straight into USB-C. There'll be a lead somewhere for that. And then you've got the little space here. Some instructions, I'll quick look at those in a minute. You've got your props, and oh, there we go, UK plug. That'll probably be your lead. That'll be USB-C lead in there. That's all good. So a nice bit of space. So you've got space for the drone, space for 6 batteries or so, space down there, more useful space there. So yeah, good to be able to get a fair bit in there. Let's have a quick look at the instructions. So yes, a few bits and pieces of paperwork. You've got your quick start guide. Now this is free 3-month trial of DJI Terra. So that is like DJI's version Pix4D drone deploy. It's about £1,000 a year, so it looks like you're getting free 3-month trial. So that's plenty of time to actually try it, you know, for surveying work and a whole load of things, mapping and all sorts. So that's really good. I'm really pleased they've included that. And then yeah, you got some safety documents. So looks good. Great bit of kit. We'll get it in stock as soon as we can. Obviously we've got it on order. Good case, good drone. Yeah, brilliant. Thanks for having a quick look with us today.